What's up everyone, Dev32 here. So we're back with another Emacs task. So this is task number 5. It's searching. So you have to put the command to search forward. So you know the symbol, the greater than symbol used to read into files. So the commands, you can just type in cd space, then you root. This will change the directory to root. You do an ls, you'll be able to list the contents of the root directory. Then you change the directory to the Emacs one which you created earlier, 0x02 underscore Emacs. Then echo inbuilt Linux command that prints out arguments as standard output. I will just keep repeating the echoes so that can make sense. So so the searching command is C-S, capital C hyphen small s, and you put the greater than symbol, then you type searching, and with this you'll be able to have achieved the task for searching forward. And happy coding.